We will now demonstrate how to set up and operate the LAP100 hydraulic tool. This tool is used for the larger sizes of LycoFit couplings. This includes 1 1/4 inch and 2 inch IPS sizes. The LAP tool requires a hydraulic source to operate. Before getting started, you will need to attach the hydraulic hose to the end of the LAP's hydraulic piston, as being demonstrated here. The LAP100 tool is set up standard for installing 2 inch IPS fitting. Adapter plates are required for smaller sizes. Attach the proper sized plates to the tool's jaws by inserting the pins into the holes provided. We are now demonstrating the use of the LAP100 tool at typical operating speed to show just how easy the installation really is. We will then walk you through the step-by-step procedure of installing a LycoFit repair coupling so you can better understand the full operation. For all other LycoFit fittings, the procedure is very similar to the one just shown. Here are some of the common fittings and how they set in the tool. Please refer to your tool's operating manual for more on installing the various types of fittings. The LycoFit repair couplings allow for quick and permanent repairs to damaged mains. Since the repair coupling requires a bit more clarification on its proper installation, we will demonstrate how to install a 2 inch IPS LycoFit. Before starting any pipe repair, ensure that the gas flow is stopped to the area that will be repaired. After locating the damaged portion of pipe, you need to mark the section of the pipe to be removed. Using the center of the damaged area, mark the distance of 3 1/8 inches for 1 1/4 IPS pipe, or 3 7/8 inches for 2 inch size pipe. Proceed by cutting the damaged area from the pipe. Try to keep the ends fairly square. Next, slide a completion sleeve onto each end of the PE pipe. Install and tighten the smaller clamp onto the PE pipe 3 1/2 inches from the end. Next, install the pullback clamp onto one of the pipe ends. Position it so that the end of the clamp is against the end of the PE pipe. Close clamp jaw and, with the handle pointing down as shown, tighten the clamp securely. Deflect the pipe end that has the clamp installed and insert the long end of the spigot into the end of the pipe. With the tool fully open, position the tool as shown. Notice that the jaws are sandwiching the outer edge of the spigot and the pipe clamp with the sleeve out of the way. Start operating the hand pump. Operate the hydraulic pump, advancing the PE pipe over the spigot. Stop operating when the end of the pullback clamp is flush with the coupling stop. Next, insert the other end of the coupling spigot into the pipe. Reposition the tool as shown and operate the hand pump. Notice that the opposite end of the fitting is being pulled out of the pipe. Continue operating the hand pump until the short end of the spigot is fully inserted. On the opposite end, check that the pipe end is still covering the inside barb of this side. Next, remove the tool and both clamps from the pipe ends. Once this is done, slide the sleeve all the way forward and reposition the tool. Operate the hand pump to insert the sleeve over the pipe and spigot. Stop advancement when there is a 2-inch gap between the sleeve and coupling flange as shown. Next, open the tool and remove it from the assembly. Slide the remaining sleeve toward the spigot, reinstall it over the spigot and sleeve assembly, and start pumping the hydraulic pump. Continue to bring the sleeve forward until it is fully in contact with the spigot flange. Remove the tool from the fitting. Your pipe repair is now complete. After completing the installation, pressure test each connection to comply with your standard pipeline test procedure.